Hello my lovely friends on YouTube, Teresa here. I am back with another video, more anti-aging for you guys, and sharing the secrets and tips and treatments that I had used and put in practice on myself and also on patients, my patients. So techniques, treatments, recipes that really give transformation to the skin in a matter of few weeks. So first I want to say thank you for all your support in my last video. Thank you so much. Welcome new subscribers. I really appreciate your love and the appreciation that you have of my teachings. Thank you a lot. That means a lot to me. a lot to me. Okay, my friends, so let's start the video. Okay, so this video is going to be how to brighten the skin, how to be able to deal with the pigmentation of the skin that some of us, we develop pigmentation through the years due to environment, free radicals, even diet and other factors. So I have a great recipe, and I promise you guys, if you do it every single day, because this is mild enough to use it every single day, you will have a brighter skin, much brighter that you have it right now. If you're treating yourself with retinols and vitamin C, I know that helps to brighten the skin. But what I'm going to give you is a recipe that is simple, doesn't take too much time, but you're going to be writing me emails and telling me that these work, because I had tested on me and it works. Tested on me for many years, and it helps to brighten the skin. It helps to protect the skin cells from the environment and free radicals. It helps to actually reduce the free radicals and your skin cells, and the pigmentation will be much less. It will fade slowly, and your skin will be much brighter. And so we're going to be using honey. We're going to be using a lemon, organic lemon. This is organic honey. And we're going to be using emo oil, or the Abissinian oil. I don't know, I had it in my hands, I don't know where I put it. So Abissinian oil or emo oil. And also we're going to be using castor oil. Here it is, the Abissinian oil. The reason we're going to be using these two oils, emo oil and Abissinian oil, is because these oils have the ability to help penetrate the nutrients that you put on your skin due to the delivery system that these oils have, which is a transdermal delivery system. And so I had explained in a few videos about the benefits of the lemons, honey, and castor oil, but I'm going to remind you and put emphasis, so it will encourage you to do this treatment. Okay, so lemons. Lemons are a very good source of vitamin C. It contains 30 to 40% of vitamin C. It helps with the protection of the free radicals because of the content of bioflavonoids and the antioxidants that the lemon has. The bioflavonoids are very good to renew the skin, to help stimulate collagen, and also has the acids, which is the alpha hydroxy acids, that helps to remove those dead cells and stimulate collagen as well. So we're going to be squeezing the whole lemon, one whole lemon, and this lemon is mixed with orange, so that's why it has this yellow color. It's super delicious. Make sure it's organic, okay? And now, oh, and the last ingredient that we will be using will be the milk, and I will explain you, okay? So there are a few ingredients, but it's not difficult to mix it. This is the raw honey, organic. As you know, honey naturally has the ability to hydrate the skin. If you take it internally, it hydrates your body. It's a very good thing to hydrate your body, and also it contains so many enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and is a powerful antibiotic. It's a natural laxative that helps to clean up your system when you take internally. It's very anti-aging. Honey is very anti-aging. Okay, so now the castor oil, I explained in other videos. Castor oil, it's a good oil. It's a thick oil, and but even though it's thick, has the ability to absorb into the skin, helps to stimulate collagen, helps with the scars. It's oil that has the fatty acids that are very concentrated to help restore those lipids of your skin, the lipids that you lose through the years. Castor oil, it's a great oil to prevent water escaping from your skin layers. Very, very good. This is an awesome alternative to occlusive products that usually are formulated to help the prevention of escaping water from your skin. But you be very careful when it comes to occlusive facial products, because a lot of them are formulated with mineral oil, petroleum, and paraffin. You don't want to use that on your skin because it really destroys the activity of the skin cells, and it degrades your skin. It makes it older. Even though it looks like it's hydrating the skin, but it's not hydrating the skin. Mineral oils and paraffins and petroleum, it is just coating the skin. But when it comes to castor oil, this is going to penetrate into the skin, treating the skin in order to prevent the water loss in your skin layers. Okay, so now these two oils, like I said, the Abissinian oil and the emo oil, they are very rich in fatty acids, omega-9, that helps to penetrate deep into the skin. And so these two oils are good for the hair as well. Castor oil, it's very good to regenerate the hair follicles, to help with hair growth. And now you're going to take 1 tablespoon of the milk. So 1 whole lemon, okay? You're going to take 1 teaspoon of the honey, and you're going to take half of a teaspoon of castor oil. You're going to take 10 drops of the emo oil, or 10 drops of the Abissinian oil, either oil, and then 1 tablespoon of whole milk, no skim milk, not non-fat milk, but whole milk, because you want all the lipids from the milk, you want the protein from the milk, you want the calcium from your milk, because the calcium is going to help to prevent thinning your skin. And milk has a good source of lactic acid. So all these ingredients is going to help with the stimulation of collagen. It's going to replace the lipids of your skin, the lipids that you had lost through the years. It's going to exfoliate those dead cells. It's going to help with the pigmentation. And you're going to be very thankful because it's going to work. Do it every single day before you go to bed. don't do it at daytime and then you go outside. You cannot do that. At nighttime, and then the next day make sure you use a SPF. So it's going to brighten your skin. It's going, like I said, stimulate collagen and help with the pigmentation and put those lipids back in your skin. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and you write me and let me know if the product, you know, if the recipe worked. Excuse me, if the recipe worked. It has to work because it had worked for me. And as a matter of fact, I did it last night. I have been doing for 15 days already. So last night was my last treatment. I do 50 days straight, and then I stop for 1 week, and then I will do it again. And so it had make my skin much more luminous. I don't know if you're able to see it in a video, but it really works. One more thing I want to share with you. I got this, which is called La Perrier Cosmetics. It's a UK product, but it is. I'm wearing it right now. It's a lipstick, and so it's a liquid lipstick. But I tell you, it lasts for hours and hours. So it comes like this, and then they have the gloss and the pencil, the lip pencil. So I like it. I wanted to share with you because it's so long lasting. It says transfer proof lip collection, and it is a matte, or you could do it glossy using the lip gloss. And so awesome product. This Complete Kiss Proof Stay Liquid Lipstick set is the answer for beautiful, long lasting and transfer proof lip color. And I will put the description of the website, and I know there are so many products that they claim that will last for a long time, but usually if they last, it will be like for a couple of hours. But I find this one here to last me 6 to 8 hours, and so very, very happy. So I thought I should share this with you, my girls. Blessed, and I'll be back with another video. It is really bright in here. I have the window, my curtains up, and so I am filming in a very bright room right now, and I am very grateful for the sunshine. It just I feel like, you know, the sunshine, it's a gift that God gave us to feel His presence. I just feel His presence when there is that sunshine, the just looking at the nature. I just feel His work, the work of His hands to create this beautiful nature for us. Okay, my friend, I'll send you my love, and you take care. Be safe. Bye bye now.